Hi everyone, Melissa McEntee here, and I'd like to demonstrate how to take a Google Doc and translate it into another language. So I have a Google Doc here. It includes a header. It has a table in it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the tool to translate it into Spanish, and then show you how to take that file and have one file that's easy for parents to be able to scroll through, with it being in English first and then Spanish following the English text. So that is just one file. So what you'll do is craft your message first in English. And then while you're in Google Docs, you want to choose Tools. And then you want to choose Translate Document. Once that pops up, you're going to see that it's going to take the full title that you already had created for this, and it's going to put translated copy of prior to the title that you had indicated for this, or you named this file. And then you get to choose the language. So there's a series of different languages here. If I just click on the S, it's going to kind of skip down. I like that. It's a little bit easier for me rather than scrolling down all the way to S. And I'm just going to choose Spanish and then choose Translate. Now, what this does is it's opening up another tab with the translated text. So what I'll do now, because I decided that I'd like to have a single file with both of these included, so that I don't have parents and parents going from one document to another. I want everything to be included in one document for parents to read in either English or Spanish, whatever their preference is. So I'm simply going to just copy everything in this file, in this document. And so I highlighted everything, and now I'm going to, on the Chromebook, press Control C for copy. And then I'm going to come back to my original, and I'm going to scroll all the way down to get to the bottom, and I'm going to bring it down to the next page. Now, a great way to do that is to hold down Control Enter at the same time on your Chromebook. That's going to give you a page break. And I already happen to be close to the bottom of the page prior to this, but when doing that, Control Enter, it's going to give you a hard page break. And no matter where you are on the previous page, it's going to bring you all the way down to the top of the line, the first line on the next page. So now I want to paste it. Now you would think Control P would be paste if Control C was copy, but actually Control P is for print. So you are going to choose Control V. So to paste, it's Control V as in Victor. And I selected that, I copied. Now you may notice that there's just some minor differences between the spacing on this, because the words are going to be obviously different and there's a different number of letters. So you want to just kind of look through, and if there are any things that if there's anything that needs to be changed or adjusted, you're able to do that here. So I just go through and I look for anything where I feel like I can adjust the spacing a little bit. I like anytime I possibly can to try to eliminate the number of pages there are. And I can play around with this a little bit to see if I could get everything on a single page. Maybe I might want to just change the font a little bit. So maybe I'll take the font down a smidge there, and that didn't quite do it, but you get the picture. So this video was to show you how to take an English document and translate it into another language, and then take that translated copy, that copy that we have right here, that copy, you want to copy all of that and take it to the original file. Remember, we want parents to have a one-stop shop to go and find documents in regardless of the language that they read in. So you want a single file with an English text and followed by the Spanish text. I hope this helped. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you again next time.